Good morning students. Hello Devansh. So today your Eric ma'am is taking your English class, okay? So I'll be taking your prep English class. Good morning Mringango, Nivedita, Shrestha, Mringango, Devansh, Ashma, Brintika, Shaunchoin. A very good morning to my dear loving student. How are you all? How are you all students? Just tell me in the comment in the chat box, how are you all? Okay, Ashma is fine, Devansh is, I am fine beta, Ashma I am fine. Shrestha is good. Shaunchoin, Mringango, okay, Shaunchoin is also fine. Nivedita, okay. Mringango, how are you beta? Hello Mringango, how are you beta? Okay, so today we'll start the class with a picture reading. Just take your book, Pathway book with page number 56. Page number 56. We'll do a story. Today there's nothing to write, okay? Today we'll do story reading. We'll do reading, story reading, okay? I will read the story and you will read after me. So students, today everyone unmute your microphone. Just unmute your microphone. Everyone unmute your microphone. The hare and the hare and the tortoise. Just everyone unmute your microphone. I want to hear you today. I want to hear you. Just unmute your microphone, students. Yes, very good. Nivedita, Mringango, Ashma, unmute your microphones. Very good, Ashma, Shaunchoin, Devansh, Shrestha. Yes, beta, that page number 56. Today you will do the reading, story reading. You will repeat after me. So everyone unmute. I want to hear your voice. Today I want to hear your voice, beta. Just unmute your microphone. Okay, so the hare and the tortoise. You know, hare, H-A-R-E, hare. Hare is a fast running animal. The hare runs very fast, okay? The fast running animal. And it looks like a large rabbit, and it looks like large rabbit. Hare is a fast running animal. Hare is a Shrestha. Today no one will write. No one will write. Nivedita. Hello Nivedita. Nivedita, Ashma, I can hear. Can I hear your voice better? Hello Ashma. Ashma, I can't see you better. I want to see you. So hare is a fast running animal and it looks like it resembles, it looks like large rabbit. Now we know about hare, now we'll know about tortoise. Who is tortoise? Tortoise, a slow moving animal. Slow moving animal. Tortoise will move slowly. Okay, so this this story, it's about a hare and the tortoise. Hare runs very fast, tortoise runs very slow. So we'll come to know about the story about hare and tortoise. So let's start. All unmute your microphone. Everyone unmute your microphone. I want to hear you. Beta, I want to hear you better. Just unmute. Okay. The hare and the tortoise. One day, a hare and a tortoise decided to run a race. So, O-N-E-1-D-A-Y. One day, a hare, H-A-R-E, hare, A-N-D, and tortoise, T-O-R, tor, T-O-I-S-E, tortoise decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided to, T-O-2, R-U-N, run a race. So, one day, this tortoise and hare decided to run a race. So you will repeat after me this line. Okay, you will read after me the first line. Just for this you have to unmute your microphone. I want to hear Ashma and Nivedita's reading. Ashma, I want to hear you better. So repeat after me, Nivedita, Ashma. One day, O-N-E-1-D-A-Y, day. One day, repeat, Mringango, Nivedita, Ashma, repeat. O-N-E-1-D-A-Y, day. One day, A-H-A-R-E, hare. One day, a hare, A-N-D, and a tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided, T-O-2, run, R-U-N, run, a race, R-A-C-E, race. So this tortoise and hare decided to decided to run a race. Okay. The next line. They started together. So they started the race together. Who? Hare and tortoise started the race together. T-H-E-Y, they started. S-T-A-R-T, together. Again, I am reading from first, okay. One day, a hare and a tortoise decided to run a race. Then you will stop for a while, then because there is full stop. Again, T-H-E-Y, they started. S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started together. T-O-2-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. Next line. The hare ran very fast. T-H-E, the T-H-E, the H-A-R-E, hare, R-A-N, ran very fast. V-E-R-Y, very, F-A-S-T, fast. So, tortoise and hare decided to run a race, and tortoise and hare have started the race together. And who ran fast? Tell me in the chat box. Who ran fast? Hare or tortoise? Who ran fast, beta? See, it is written over here. The hare ran very fast. Yes, Ashma, very good. Answer me, who ran fast? Yes, Shrestha, Ashma, very good. And others reply me. Yes, Mingango, very good. See in the second line, who ran very fast? Yes, Nivedita. Very good, Sanshan. The tortoise ran very slow. T-H-E, the tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise ran. R-A-N, ran. V-E-R-Y, very. S-L-O-W, slow. The tortoise ran very slow. So again we will read from starting. Just a second, beta. So we will read again from first, okay. We will do today 2 lines. And you will practice these 2 lines reading at your home with the help of your mother. You will read loudly and clearly with each spellings, okay students, so that you can learn reading. So again we will start from here. The hare and the tortoise. Put your finger, everyone put your finger. The hare and the tortoise. One day, a hare and a tortoise decided to run a race. They started together. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise ran very slow. So you will practice this first 2 lines reading at your home with the help of your mother, okay? And you will read loudly with each spelling, correct spelling. So you will be good in reading, okay? Understood? Yes or no? Have you understood better what I said? Yes or no? Yes or no? Say me in the chat box. Tell me in the chat box better. Understood what I said about the reading? You will read these 2 lines at your home with the help of your mother. You will read it loudly with each spelling. You will say O-N-E-1 D-A-Y, day, like this. You will read these 2 lines, okay? Okay, Nivedita, Shrestha, Sancha and Brindika, very good. You understood. And Mringango, have you understood better? Debansh, have you understood Mringango and Debansh? Very good. So, we'll end this English class over here. Again, we'll meet you in your maths prep maths class, okay? So, for today, thank you. Bye bye. Bye students.